Hello everyone, and welcome to Rebuild 3. Gangs of... Oh my goodness, lower that! Thank you. As I was saying, hello everyone, and welcome to Rebuild 3. Gangs of... that's viral. A game about rebuilding society, not after, but rather during a zombie apocalypse. And let me tell you one thing. I feel like we need more games like this. Where you don't just focus on like survival and just beating people and making a small society. No, when I say rebuilding society, I mean it. We need more of this type of apocalyptic rebuilding games. That's why I like Frostpunk so much. I think it's because I feel like we really don't have enough of this type of stuff. And well, without further ado, let's get right to it. March 3rd, 2016, at the beginning of the end. So begins my new life in Seattle, Washington. Now, for a fun day, waiting for the cable guy to come connect the internet. I've got a couple of TV channels, but all they're showing is news about that crazy biting disease in Amsterdam. Sounds like they finally got things contained. But I'll unpack, take a shower, and enjoy some me time. Oh, we have a backstory of the character we're gonna be playing as, which is the leader of this place. Yeah, first I'm gonna call myself Matt. I like the male gender. Lord have mercy! Make me a writer. Yeah, something like that. I feel like that's gonna work. Well. Oh, there's a lot of options. Do I make myself the way I look IRL? I'll make a cool character. There isn't anyone really who looks exactly like me here. I'm just gonna go with this one, I guess. It's the most similar. I think we'll go with this one. I kind of like this job. Retiree, police, priest, hobo, college student, construction worker, gang member, politician, shop clerk, doctor. Let's go with using health materials, cost equipment. Okay. College student, engineering school and bars, not effective equipment calculator. Yeah, let's go with that. Let's not make ourselves like some superhuman. Let's just do what's it called? A regular guy, because that's what we would be. Gosh, I look goofy. Containment failed. The entrance guy never came. Oh my goodness, bro! Can you lower the audio? Oh, whoops. Lower the music. Please. Excuse me? The beginning of the end, yes. Oh, I accidentally skipped one thing. Submits my life in Seattle, Washington. Oh no, wait, we already did that. Continue. Containment failed. The entrance guy never came. This morning I woke to what I thought were protesters outside, but I was wrong, so very, very wrong. They're fighting in the streets down there, with their hands and teeth just staring into people. I saw a cop shoot a woman in the chest, covered in blood. She just got up and kept fighting. The rise of the undead. And in news, they're telling us to stay indoors. They keep opening emergency shelters, but every time something goes wrong and it turns into another bloodbath. This infection is spreading so fast in Vancouver and San Francisco now too. They've shut down the airports, but it's too late. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. venturing outside. I ran out of ramen and soda about the time the TV cut out. Just finally quiet outside, so I took what survival gear I had and made my way out of the street. The last shelter they broadcast was 10 blocks away at a boys' private school. I made it halfway before I was attacked. Beaten. It was so stupid, I don't know why I didn't have a weapon ready. I guess I thought I could outrun them. I mean, since they're zombies and all, but they're faster than they look. I was struggling with one of them. A soldier ran up and pulled it off me. Shot in the head, that stopped. But it was too late, too late. I was beaten. Sergeant Hester, a hero. A soldier pulled me into a building and we waited there while the zombies wandered around outside. Then he saw my bite, he drew his gun and said he was going to make it quick. I knew what the bite meant. I had a die, maybe two to live, but I didn't want to die. I fought with him and then the gun went off. I killed him. I killed a good man. He was trying to help and I killed him. After Sergeant Hester's death, things got blurry. I stepped inside his body waiting for his fear to start waiting to die, but it never came. I snuck my way out of town. I was worried there'd be some precaution for killing a soldier, but everyone was too busy to care. I've been working my way to east, to the suburbs on foot, scavenging what I needed and avoiding zombies and human-like. It's been 2 years since the outbreak. I've been keeping it to myself, moving from place to place. The few people I take up with seem to disappear or die before long, but I meet this woman, Diana. She's different. She wants to stop running. She's settled down on Wilson and got so lost. Trying to help her. Snow called me. Diana found a small town up in this Cascade Mountains named Snowcall on me. Lots of food and supplies. She said we found a couple of under survivors and walled off a few city blocks to start. No more drinking, hiding like animals. It's time to make a stand. It's time to rebuild. This is so cool. By the way, 2 years passed. Wow. So our character is one of the few that are immune to this sort of disease, and we're finally settling down. The name is stupid. Let's call it something cool. What would be a cool name for a city after zombie apocalypse? New Hope's Land. Yeah. Difficulty normal, please. This like it. And so we begin. I'm going to lie to you not. This town is in better days. It's overrun by the undead now. No power, no running water, no food except food we haven't or gravel ourselves. Drag them up to look around and scroll or pinch to zoom. We're safe in our five reclaimed buildings, but the darker ones outside are teaming with Z. Click a building for more info. Drag them up to look around and scroll. Okay. We can do some more buildings. And so we begin the thing that I really like about this game. It's a strategy game. Which is so rare for this medium, I feel like. For the zombie settings to have this type of thing. And it's really cool. Oh, I see you set up in the police station. That's smart. And there is an Allmart nearby. So that's also very smart. And the medical shop and the bank is not necessary, but alright. Good choice for a starting base. Time to begin New Hope Stand. Click on buildings for more info. Once we've claimed a building into our fort, you can use it for housing, farming, defense, or other things, depending on the building type. Our goal is to reclaim 15 buildings. Okay. No danger, there's the defense. We're all technically on the defense, I assume. Every survivor runs one skill. Leaders by leading builders by leading, builders by building, and so on. They can change by training at a school your special not. You can improve all 5 skills. Okay. Guard duty, build, time off. Oh, I see. So we can just choose what does each person work as. Buildings after default might contain food, supplies, and survivors, but there are also zombies working out there. So watch out. Drag survivor and a building to send them on a mission. Okay. I think they all marked. Oh, you have the best chance of finding houses regulatory stars. This is like malls may have valuable occupants can find more stuff faster. Okay. Let's send you to the all marked. The buildings assign them the mission of stack as well. Okay, you can scavenge, scout, kill zombies. Okay, let's begin by killing zombies. Clearing out stray zombies stops them from becoming massed hordes, but until you reclaim the building, the zombies will just keep shambling back into it. Okay, so we can start off by killing off those zombies and the rest will continue to defend the area. We still have enough food and people are not too not too sad. We can begin the time. This is not like this is actually not front based. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty cool. Also, this guy looks tough. Or girl. Alright, and just like that we can begin. It will be a bit of a slow burn, but I think it's still gonna be pretty fun. Personally, I love strategies and I want some of those like a little more creepy style or like at least scary themed strategies. So on this channel, so this is a good first one. Okay, days pass and we begin clearing out zombies. We are good on food, so now for now. However, name to see skills information. Okay, we can send, let's say you to start farming. There we go. You begin farming just like that. And let's see how that goes. Can we speed up time? Yes, we can. Okay, let's do that. There we go. Zombies killed. And now, someone defends this building, but there are no massive zombies nearby to defend from. There is a right on the building and I think something is full. Okay. Now we can reclaim this place. There we go. The building. Besides our fort and zombie free, it's safe to reclaim and extend our force was around building. Builders will get their job done faster. At the same time, we got click and hold as a stack of survivors to spread them apart so you can select individual survivors as missions together. Okay. Let's say you scavenge first and then do the rest. You, on the other hand. Yeah, okay, that I guess. You can clean our buildings, begin scavenging this place. Hand whip. You know what? I think we can actually start building over this area. There we go. Oh yeah, we need more people to start farming. So we can only build here. Time off. Yeah, we need more places where one can farm and such. Okay, you can kill the zombies over here. When the gather besides our walls, they turn into a dangerous must horde. It will attack soon, so better post someone on guard than the besides soldier. we decided should just make the defense the best defense. Alright. Got guarding then. Oh. Speed this up a little bit. No effect for speed. Click on the icons. Government management icon, wow. Factions, other factions have their own thoughts. Hidden new options and they aren't necessarily friendly. If they like us, they'll send trading convoys. If not, watch out for neighbors. We haven't met this faction yet. Research projects can give many different wide bonuses for best results as assign engineers to research in a laboratory. Okay. From farmers. Citizen, okay. Alright. Okay, continue your thing then. Oh, one is killed. So now we can begin declining this area. Because we need more food. Oh lord! Okay, there is an attack. Zeds aren't smart and they don't run from danger even when you make a convenient head-sized hole in your wall. Completely without any attachments, they keep coming and dying until there are no left. Okay, we fended them off. For a moment I thought we lost. Got me really scared. Hey, look! Looks like we're still alive to start, but remember our goal here is New Hopes and in New Hopes to grow our fire for precision buildings. Yes, 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 yes. Can we save by the way? Oh, we can. Okay, good. Papa save, I guess. We can use. Alright. See that smiley face on the. See that smiley face on the left? That's the average happiness for survivors. If it's low, people might refuse to work or worse. Churches, bars, and time off missions makes people happier. Thank you for letting me know that. It's truly a valuable lesson. Anyways, you need to start defending temporarily. Edit missions. You gentlemen, oh my goodness. You gentlemen need to begin defending, just in case. Take care of that. There we go, it's ours. Now, I'd really appreciate it if I could only take one of you, Okay, you scavenge this area, but I'd appreciate it if I would... Can I split you? Hello? How does this work again? Oh, there we go. Hold up. You. Take some time off. You. Scavenge this place. Thank you. Oh, found a man not far from our gates. Where he'd been hiding out from the zombies for days. We suggest our folks might be a bit safer than the garbage bin. He was crouched inside when we found him. He seemed a little skeptical. Sure, let's invite him. Suburbs and apartments buildings which have rooms for two survivors are full up, so we will need to reclaim our build more houses before we can recruit anyone else. Okay. Build. Oh, I see. That's pretty cool. You have to okay for now though. Gustav, It looks like capitalism is still alive and well, even with the undead chewing on what is left of society. Oh my goodness, really? A merchant named Gustav has set up a temporary camp at the bank just next to our fort. It looks like he has food, all sorts to trade and even a few more exotic items to boot. His bodyguards are a little intimidating though. They're liable to get rough with you if you get too close to any woman traveling with the caravan, but unless you are willing to pay for the privilege. I see, so we got a trader over here. The hard attempted assault! Zombie attack. The farm wall isn't going to hold. We have to build something, to do something. Because as of some of our field reserve, nobody likes ranks to fire humans or Zeds. Or a couple of Gustav's mercenaries were nearby and came running. They help us out. It's going to cost. Hmm. Let's hire the mercs. Gustav's mercenaries made short work of the zombies and we paid them well. It's suspicious that they happened to be here at just the right time, but I'll just be thankful that we're alive and safe. Uh, Found food, thank God. Very, very good. If you go out in the woods today, you might get poisoned if ivy rush, but Mark Dunay managed to avoid that. He came back with a huge sack of blueberries. Though the thing is, we don't know what kind of berries they are and whether they're good to eat. What to do with them? Research them first. We should sample to our top researcher, nuts, but he didn't manage to identify them. I guess there's one sure way to find out if they're edible. Keep them. Okay. This is great. If someone gets injured, lucky for them, it wasn't worse. They have to spend a few days recovering before they can work again. People recover fast in hospitals. Okay. Oh god. A good start. The six of us are starting to see some progress here in the New Hope Stand. We've reclaimed enough buildings that we can actually go for a little jog around the neighborhood. Think of that. Running for fun, not for your life. Exercise, recreation, spandex, running shorts. These are things we're looking forward to. Stop for a moment here. We need you to begin defending this area. And you can get farming. You could use that. You can get farming as well. We really could use that. And there we go. We are regaining stuff. Big farm plugins and food. Good. Found ammunition. Oh, loud. This sound is too loud. Zombies attack this. Okay, so we found them off. Alright. And those guys went away. We'll get to trade with them, but that's fine. Hidden door. Mark was poking around our farm to see if we missed anything in our initial scavenging step. When he found an old-fashioned trapdoor that doesn't look like it's been touched in ages. We've got no idea where it is, but a few legible words scrawled on its danger man-eating. That inspire confidence too, and investigators tell them. See the door shut. Discretion is better part of valor. As they say, I'm not actually sure how true the statement is, but the people who say it are generally the ones who survive, and that's what's important. We spent a couple of hours filing first and confusion in front of it, just in case. No one is going to be opening the door anytime soon. Good. Oh, load! Start defending, quick! Zombies are massing at our walls, their attack the weakest adjacent building soon. The network icon at the bottom left shows how bad it will be. Yes, we already know that, thank you. Okay, we'll be fine. There we go. They failed again. So now we can send more defenders here. And a little more. There we go. Lone traveler, a hard-looking woman at the gates with her wolf dog. a shotgun and a big backpack. She doesn't want to join us. Just asked if you could stay the night, move on out the morning. Answer if you can trust her, but she sure as hell doesn't look like she trusts us either. Let her stay the night. Maybe she's gonna say a couple good words. She camped out just inside the walls and kept to herself at night. I tried to approach her at one point, but that wolf up there started growling and showing its teeth. With a fierce beast like that, I can see why she doesn't think she needs anyone else. Not even dogs can catch the disease. I've seen it happen. That's not good. Another! Oh my lord! Well, we better start defending then. Okay. Zombie attack, they're in a frenzy at the wall by our Almart. There is a lot of junk around here. We could use our spare building not to a quick barricade. Build it. If you have duct tape, interesting nice, anything can be a barrier. They tore it all to shreds, but it gave us enough time to get around for a better angle behind them. There we go. Now, if I may, oops, you go ahead and help here. You do that as well. Huh? Okay, I guess not. And you, on the other hand, can. And you, on the other hand, can go here. And you, on the other hand, can confirm. You help over here, I guess. Is that okay? Not sure. Depends. Hey, the train's gonna be okay. It's gonna be alright. Oh, this guy's here again. I'm gonna check what he has to offer later. Gustav's love caravan. Gustav's caravan has arrived in a convoy of campers and dirty mattresses. They pulled up into the semicircle around our gate. The girl posing in the grungy camper doorways are and displaying the most, relatively speaking, alluring features. Gustav assures us that it's all very, very romantic considering there. I don't know. We don't need it. We just because that's where this is connected and feel happy, and I don't want to make their lives any worse than they already is. Yeah, Gustav is a freak. But I got want to hang out of here. Blood and ice cream. Yes. Pair of guys showed up at our gate today. When a hefty guy with a shotgun on his back, there was a very balanced guy with a cricket bat. They said they were a couple of former cops who had taken to traveling the world after it ended killing Zet and meeting interested folks away. They cracked jokes like there was nothing wrong out there, and now Africa is no end of the world. It was refreshing. They said they'd kill for one of those pre-packed ice cream cones if they had any. Was the joke too? Offered them water. I got think they had been looking for something stronger, but they still shut it down. But we handed out. They said it was better than the stagnant puddles they drank from the past while. After they finished up their drinks, they thanked something that out. Handed out. Okay, good. That was I see. We can't be sure when will they attack. Oh god. Yeah, you might want to go on full defense. Temporarily. And we're gonna. Alright. You return to farming. You do too. You can scavenging. You're gonna ahead and 2. Can the injured are killed if they scavenge too far away or head up to kill them without starting first. They're gonna make it mission safer. Could that be? There we go. Policies have permanent effects for the part of the reaches, then they can be changed later for the from the government tab. Okay. Policy scavenging risk. We've all been there. If a ransacta observed house on the different more than you can carry. You're about to leave when you heard something bumping around in the garage. There could be anything there. Bicycle chainsaw, maybe even a rifle, but it's worth the chance. How much should the how much risk should those scavengers take? Balance, squeeze on the rewards, get the easy stuff and get out, scavenge everything. Balance. Select everything in the rear. Found some ammunition. Medicine. There we go. Finish them. Cleaning that area. And we just rest here, I guess. Policy ammo use. Use balance. Oh, there. Defense. But now you do 11 and now you do 18. Training Moravia. There we go. You're on defense here. Didn't manage to do anything much to us. Oh, they did. No, that's not good. Natural disaster. After a month without service, all sewer remain overflowed last night and flooded our sewers, destroying the support and leaving the building pretty much unusable. We still watch some buildings, materials from it. Well, is we're going to need send some builders to clean up the area and put up something new. Okay. Oh, wow. Quite the natural disaster indeed. Well, we could have repurposed into a building. And also repurpose this into a no. No, I don't think that's... Yeah, I guess so. I don't know what this... Oh my goodness, man. If I do right now... Man. The laborers. There were 3 men on the gates asking for help. One of them is limping and helping and holding a bloody rag to his neck. But we want to look at the rounds. Nah, get them away from here. Good seeing their eyes that their defense was doomed. Medicine could have modeled. Medicine more comfortable with couldn't save him. Okay. Step more defense here. For a guy, but well, we couldn't risk it. No, I see this hot place is scavenged now. Well, scavenged here then. Okay, I say we are doing pretty good. There we go. They done nothing to us, pretty much. We are unable to. Just to that. And we'll be fine. The road is long. Christopher, the snake, heard crying last night and went out into the street to see what it was. He found a young boy wandering out there, exhausted, traumatized, and alone. The kid is in shock. Adopt him. Gustavo took the kid in, eventually closed the name out of him. Douglas. It's going to take some time before the poor boy's life is back to normal. If you could ever call the kind of life normal, but he'll ended up children pretty flexible. There we go, we got that done. We can begin doing an apartment over here. Not good at all. Might want to build some defense over here. Defense. Around 5, but very not much. Now, maybe. Oh my goodness me, the lot of defense for this one. Oh lord, what is going on over here today? Leave him there. There you go. Issue solved. That's my rest. And I need it. Storm infestation, oh god. I was produced the restful for 7 days. That was great. We'll be fine now. Oh man, there's a lot going on. We need to start killing off those zombies. Zombie of visual zombies massacre dually besides well as group is different there and move. 17 of them. Slowly but we have to fight and through this insane first. Regular attack out, that's just great. Madman's attack some yeah. Oh god. That's just great. That's not good at all. Perfect. Oh, this isn't good. Oh no! Let's loot at first. Barricade, please. That's not good. We might be fucked, I'm not gonna lie. We need more people quick. Just caution. Oh my goodness, how many more zombies could there be? We're about to starve out in here. Nothing about it. Okay, will probably be fine, but it's gonna be a little challenging. Okay, there goes that. That's good, because now we can reassign somebody. So now we can reassign you to, well, not exactly. Do that, and you farm. Okay, I'm really good. Oh my goodness, bro. Okay, at least you finally attacked. Yeah, I'm on that side. You take care of that. And it should be fine. There we go. Oh my goodness, again? We are cooked. We are so close, it's not even funny. And the dogs attack. Oh no! Oh my goodness! Yeah, we are cooked. Okay, but this is just the first like run and the very first episode, so it's more like kind of a learning episode, if I can call it that way. Kill some of these zombies out here. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness, relax! Move this man. Hello? That's an issue. There we go. No. Okay. We're okay, we are okay. We are okay. Calm down. The situation is semi under control. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness! Deve ser o Neiro it's one thing you've been working to this. Oh my lord! We are cooked! It is so over. It is so over. We are cooked beyond recognition. We got nothing. We need to start scavenging now quickly. Scout this area. Golly. Even strikes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we are cooked, likely. Oh, no, actually. No, maybe we'll be fine. Okay. Maybe we'll be okay. We should expand upon those farms. Throw them out, man. Very killed. Getting that. A couple of other things. Check it out. There we go. Okay. Yeah, no, I will be fine, I reckon. It's just like ups and downs, but sooner or later we'll be fine. Alright, that's one attack. But we've got them done. Alright, wait, hold up. Let me just check. Real quick, what's the time of the recording? 48 minutes? Yeah, I think we can finish this for today. Sorry, my commentary might have been a little off, but that's only for the first video. It's always this way because what's it called? Because you know, I just had to get used to the game, like focus on it for a little bit, read up, learn some mechanics. But I think it's gonna be getting better and better from now on. So yeah, if you like this video, if you like this, wait, what time is it? Okay, yeah, that's exactly. If you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Damn, the beat stab though.